Hi, this is Nick and I'm going to present you a training video for the data transfer portlet. At the beginning we can see the guided tour, we skip it for now. So this is how the portal looks. This is the main panel on the left where we have to choose the schedule type between direct, manually schedule and periodically schedule. In the last two options we have also to select the start instance, which is this one, and if it's about the third option, which is the periodic schedule transfer, we have also to select the frequency. There are also options for overwriting the file in the destination if already exists and unzip the file after the transfer completion. From the right side panel we can select the source and the destination, what we want to transfer, and submit the transfer. Sort types here are tree collection, workspace, data sources, URI, MongoDB and agent nodes. Destination types are the tree collections, MongoDB, data storages and agent nodes. The scheduler detail panel on the bottom is for showing all of our active transfers and transfer history information. Presented for each transfer is the ID, the submitter, the status, how many times this transfer has been performed, the type, and the submitted date, and of course the progress of the transfer. In the same panel there are two tool buttons. The first one is for refreshing this information and the second one is for retrieving the agent statistics. For each agent there is a number of ongoing, failed, successful, cancel and total finished transfers. There's also the option of monitoring, cancelling and getting the outcomes of a specific transfer by double click on a row. So let's perform a transfer now from a simple URI. This is some sample URI that is already stored to an agent node. This one. We select the folder, this one, and we move this one. We can see the transfer here. This transfer for now is standby. We retrieve the transfers every 20 seconds, but if we want to check earlier we can refresh manually. So we can see here that this file is already completed. About the tree collections, we select the trees, the tree collection that we want to transfer to. So this is the tree collection that we are going to transfer, and we get this tree source. By double click on the source, on the tree source, we can see the ID and the cardinality. So this one has 1000, this one has 500 almost. Select this one and we schedule. This is a tree based. By double click on the transfer, what we can get here is the outcomes. We can see the file name, the destination, the failure, the success, the time, the size, the transfer bytes, and if we have any exceptions. This is also completed. And this is the outcomes. So this is all.